Cook 4. You spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook 4U presents Tandoori Chicken Biryani. Step 1. Tandoori marination. Take 750 grams chicken, 2 to 3 pinches turmeric, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon tandoori masala, 1/4 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves, 150 grams curd, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 pinches of red food colour, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1 tablespoon oil. Combine well. Let it marinate for 1 to 2 hours. Step 2. Biryani masala. Add 3 tablespoons oil. 1 large sliced onion. Cook until golden brown or caramelized. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Sauté well until rawness goes away. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon tandoori masala, 1 tablespoon biryani masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, salt to taste. Sauté well. Add 1 large tomato. Sauté. Add some water. One tablespoon chopped coriander and mint leaves. Mix well. Cover and cook for 5 to 6 minutes on low flame. Add half-cooked curd, three to 4 green chilies, cook for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Grease some oil. Put marinated chicken pieces. Preheat oven and cook for 10 minutes each side on 180 degrees Celsius. Grease some butter. Flip the sides and cook again in oven. You can also grill in oven for 5 minutes. Put oven grill tandoori pieces. Mix well. Smoke the charcoal. Step 3. Biryani rice. Boil the water. Add whole spices mentioned on the screen. Add Add salt to taste. 1 teaspoon lime or lemon juice. 1 teaspoon oil. 500 grams basmati rice soaked for 30 minutes. Don't cook fully, only 80% rice to be cooked. Strain rice and set aside for some time. Form layers of rice and masala. Sprinkle with birista fried onions. Add some coriander and mint. Repeat for another layer. Rice. Tandoori masala pieces. Add some coriander, mint leaves, birista. Rice. Add some food colours, it's totally optional. Add some fried onion oil or ghee on top. Again, coriander leaves, fried onions, on top of, add tandoori pieces. A few drops of kira is totally optional. Slit cut green chilies, give it a nice charcoal smoke. Cover and cook for 12 to 15 minutes on low flame. Our delicious tandoori biryani is ready to enjoy. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.